What you say, Q? Sing it.
Yeah, excuse me, miss. I know you don't need a man, but I know your brother work and you're making all your things. Oh yeah. I just think it's every night out with a really on your side that'll make it worth your while. Oh yeah. Pretty in your fast, so you know different. That still don't make me indifferent. I'm slide on it. Slide on it, you know I'ma slide on it. Yeah, slide on it.
You know I wore the leather jacket tonight, you heard?
You know I'ma slide on it. Might as well ride on it. Yeah. You know I'ma slide on it. Might as well ride on it. Look, I'm like, yo, girl, I really need to know what time you want. Please don't treat me like a bro. Yeah, you ain't on OnlyFans. Girl, you ain't no hoe. But even if you were, I know it's for that though. Cause that ass is looking kinda heavy, just like Lilo. Killing every photo. Then got cracked and cold. Yeah, wasn't really looking for something, but you came in. Oh, good vibes, so I might as well go and say hello. Excuse me, miss. I know you don't need a man, but I know you put in work and you're making all your plans. Oh yeah. I just think it's every night out with a feeling on your side. Don't hear you if you ride. Being your fast on your distance. That still don't make me indifferent. I'ma slide on you. Slide on you. I'ma slide on you. Slide on you. Oh, what Kim? I don't see Kim. What Kim thought I don't see her. Yeah. Don't lie to your shorty. Hold on. Don't lie to your shorty. If you love your woman, take care of her. Be honest. Be real. Look. You got my hand curves, so I'm getting nervous. You gon' tell me the truth, even if it hurts. Look you in your face and I lied to you, ain't got no heart. That's why when she talks to me, she ain't got no balls. Don't like it, I know you gon' get you a fix. Yeah, gotta be all in the mix. You got your bitches, ain't like you your man. Yeah, they can think of me a trick. Got top out of box, so he was gonna take pictures. Let her be wrong, sliding with you. Girl, I'm sliding with you. She got my hand curves, so I'm working hers. She wants to be the truth, even if it hurts. Looking at her face and I like to, ain't got no heart. That's why when she talks to me, she ain't got words. She got my hand curves, so I'm working hers. You gon' tell me the truth, even if it hurts. Looking at your face and I like to, ain't got no heart. Looking at your face and I like to, look you in your face and I lie to you. Look you in your face and I lie to you. And it won't happen again. I just need loyalty and a friend. I just need loyalty and a friend.
Please make some noise. Y'all here with me right now? Please make some noise. Please. Please. I gotta show out for y'all. Hold on. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming out tonight. There's a lot of shit going on tonight. Y'all really came out here. Oh my God.
If you're enjoying yourself, make some noise.
I think we just deserve a trip or something. Think we should just dip out of here or something. It's about the loyalty, and it's all I need and nothing else. I like it best when we're by ourselves. Wanna travel the world, see sunsets. Oh no. When's the last time you've been out the country where the palm trees feel just like candy? Always said, take it back to home for passion. Gotta be a man, what you want, gotta make it happen. Want your loyalty, nothing else. Let's get to learn somewhere out the country. country. Thank y'all so much, man.
Make some noise for Q, stand for CT.